What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Chase from Paw Patrol. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's go up in the middle, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Now I want to place the nose in the center. From the sides, come down and bend that in towards the middle of our page. Bend this back out and then up. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now just on top of the muzzle, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes tucked in along the bottom. Let's start over on the left. We go all the way around, go up towards the top of the eye, come down, just tuck that in towards the side. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, going all the way around, and we'll tuck that in. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we draw a smaller circle, going up, down, and then in. And we'll draw a smaller circle in the center of the iris for the pupil, coming in towards the muzzle. Let's go to the top of each pupil and draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now from the tip of the nose, let's step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth, from left to right. And then from the ends, we're going to bend the mouth, going out and then up towards the side of the muzzle. And a small bracket on the ends. From the tip of the nose, let's draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth. Let's go out to the side, curve the mouth coming down and then in towards the bottom. And we'll curve the bottom of the mouth. Let's separate the teeth in the middle with a curve, starting on the left, going across, and then on the ends, draw a short line coming down, and we'll fill in the bottom corners. Now on the side of the muzzle, we're going to add 3 dots. Move back to the center, step down, and add a curve for the lower lip. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out. Going to curve this around, come in just underneath the lip, go around the right side, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to go up above each eye and pull this down towards the nose. So let's start on the left. We're going to go up, round this out, come in, and then come straight down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up toward the top, just going to line this up, round this out, and then come down. Let's add 2 curves along the top of the eyebrows. Now along the top, we're going to add a curve for the hat brim. We're going to go up and then down. From the side, bend this out and then up. Let's add another curve going up and down. From the top corners, let's bend the hat going out and then up. And go back to the left side, let's bend this up in the middle, round this out, and come down towards the right. Let's add a trim along the bottom of the hat. Just going to follow that same curve going across. Now let's add that badge in the center. Start with a curve along the top, in the middle, from the ends, bend this down and then out, bend this down and then in towards the center. Let's trace the badge along the inside, starting along the top. Now on the top, we're going to draw 3 ovals, just angling this up toward the left. And then along the bottom, draw a larger oval. Now let's draw the ears along the side. We start from the side of the head, bend the ear going out, go up, and then in towards the top of the ear. We're just going to line this up on the right, going out, up, and then in towards the same height. From the top of the ear, bend this in and then down in behind the top of the hat. Let's draw the inside of the ear. Let's start by tracing this curve along the inside, going down towards the bottom. And go back up to the top, round this out, and then come down towards that bottom point. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start over on the left, bend this down, and then back up. In the center, we're going to draw two lines going down. Now I want to add that dog tag that looks similar to the badge along the top of the hat. Start with the top curve, round up the top corners, bend this down, and then in towards the center. Let's trace this along the inside. And we'll add a simple star in the middle. Start with the left side, coming down, and then just work our way back up along the right side. Now we want to extend the legs coming down toward the bottom. From the side of the badge, let's step out, angles down, and then out towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the paws, coming down and then up. And then from the outside, draw the top of the paw going up, and we'll bend this down, aiming towards the inside of the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the side of the collar, bend the leg, going out, and then down on top of the paws. Let's separate the paws with two curves on either side. Start with the outside, step in, and draw that again. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the leg. We're just going to curve the sleeve going up and then down towards the outside. Then from the top of the paw, step up. Let's add a seam going up and then down. Now in between the legs, we're going to add a curve for the body, moving down and then up. And then in the center of the body, let's draw two lines from the zipper. Now you want to see the inside of the hind legs, so I'm just going to bend this down and out on the other side. Round out the bottom, tucking this out towards the side. Let's layer that box in behind the back. Start from the top, go straight out over the side, and we'll pull it straight down towards the leg. Let's add a siren along the sides with a half circle. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Chase from Paw Patrol. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.